I am the sound of the mighty African drums that moves God's feet. I am the laughter of the cricket that dozes the night to sleep. I am the crystal water drops from ancient trees that awakens the forest to a new day. I am the sacred sacrifice to the predator as prey. I am the wind beneath the wings of the soaring hawk. I am the coolness of spirit that pervades the mountain fog. I am the darkness preceding all dawn, and the dawn that ends all darkness. I am the careful lips that blows upon the morning hot tea. I am the loyal puppy that always embraces me. I am the stillness that never moves, and the movement that never stills. I am, we are. I am the one born of nature.